Tesla's Cybertruck has been in the spotlight once again, but not for the reasons Elon Musk would hope. After a disappointing performance in towing tests, questions arise about the practicality of this futuristic vehicle. Let's delve into the details of the recent test and what it means for Tesla's ambitious pickup truck. After Bowlus, a luxury camper company, conducted a rigorous towing test, the results painted a concerning picture for the Cybertruck. Last month's test revealed its towing capabilities fell far short of expectations, and a follow-up test aimed to provide clearer insights. This time, a more scientific approach was adopted to eliminate doubts about the methodology. In the initial test, the Cybertruck managed a meager 160 miles of range while towing a Bowlus Volterra trailer, significantly lower than its EPA-rated range. Even compared to a Model X from nearly a decade ago, the Cybertruck's performance was lackluster. This led to skepticism about the conditions of the test and prompted a revisit with additional parameters. With the help of Eric from the Butter EV YouTube channel, a fresh test was devised. The Cybertruck faced off against a Model X and a Rivian R1S, towing the same trailer over a 103-mile route with elevation changes. Despite the anticipation for improved results, the Cybertruck once again found itself trailing behind. The Rivian R1S emerged as the top performer, showcasing superior efficiency and range. The Model X followed suit, outperforming the Cybertruck by a significant margin. Despite its larger battery pack and newer technology, the Cybertruck's performance was underwhelming, raising questions about its design choices and practicality. As the Cybertruck continues to face setbacks in real-world tests, concerns grow about its viability as a practical utility vehicle. While its bold design may appeal to some, its performance falls short of expectations. The repeated underperformance against older models and competitors highlights the need for Tesla to address the vehicle's shortcomings. Whether aesthetics should come at the expense of functionality remains a pertinent question in the context of the Cybertruck's ambitious design.